Good morning, students. The subject is Principles of Event Management in the second unit, Event Management Procedure. Okay, let us continue the topic permissions. Here, for an uninterrupted completion of an event required the following license and approvals from the local authorities. So, before starting the event, we have to get permissions from different authorities. In that, first one is premises license. Okay, we have to get permission from municipal authorities regarding premises license. Next one is performance license. Next one is NOC from the traffic department. So because we are gathering more people means there is a issue of traffic, so we have to get no objection certificate. NOC means no objection certificate. It is a legal certificate issued by an agency, organization, institution, or in certain cases. So next one is no objection certificate from fire bridge department. Okay, if there is we are conducting event means there is any unexpected abnormal fire accidents will be occurred at that time. Okay, fire bridge department will be helpful for fire exhaustment. So we have to get NOC certificate from fire bridge department, and they provide guidelines regarding the regarding how to take fire exhaustment. So before they are coming to that accident. Next one is NOC from electrical inspector. Next one is NOC from health department. So before getting license, before getting any certificate from the health department, they provide some guidelines and also first aid precautions. So if there is any health problems for a particular audience means it provide, or we have to take some first aid steps or first aid rooms. Next one is policies. Here event management company should develop internal policies for conducting event. Okay, these policies may include the agreement with any external suppliers, payment terms and conditions. So here external suppliers come like delivery of any goods required for the events, like food caterings items, or water drinking waters, or some decorations like furnitures, chairs, or flowers, or decoration items, so mirrors. So these are been included in external suppliers. Next one is payment terms and conditions. Here payment terms comes to both in external suppliers and our audience or here targeted clients. Next one is cancellation of agreements and so on, so that if there is any problem through the agreements, so there is a external term like cancellation of agreement. So in that also they will come the payment issues. Next one is the company have a separate policy frame for its audience so that they can smooth functioning of an event. Next one is the policy may cover the terms and conditions for registration, cancellation, receiving the payment for the event. Here registration means before conducting the event, so we are conducting event for target clients, so that at the time we have to register with, or we have to make a separate contract with two parties. Next one is cancellation. Okay, here cancellation comes in different cases, like any event is conducted for the future term, no, so at that time future date, if there is any lockdowns or if there is any family problems, so cancellations events may be occurred, or any issues are being arises, so that we have to cancel the event. So at that time I discuss the cancellation terms and receiving the payment for the event, so that payment mode is also is there, whether it is a before the event payment, half payment, or full payment after the event. So decide by the specific times and place also. Next topic is government and local authorities. Here why the government and local authorities will come in case of any event management company. Interaction and communication with regularity authorities is an ongoing process. Usually the authorities will have to consulted if an event is held outdoor. An outdoor location is likely to come under the jurisdiction of corporations or panchayat. So here we are sometimes events are being conducted in both the outdoor and indoors. So at that time we are conducting an event outdoor means okay, we are disturbing the public places, or we are damaging the some premises. So at that time we have to, before conducting an event, we have to get some permissions from government authorities. Unnecessary permissions are must under such circumstance. Event organizer is expected to follow the rules regulations prescribed by such local authorities, so that the government or local authorities, municipal authorities provide, okay, government authorities provide some rules and regulations. Okay, they provide guidelines to how to conduct the event, so that some of the government authority they consult may include, okay, here while for example sports and recreation. So while conducting the sports and recreations, okay, IPL match for example, we can take it as a recent criteria of IPL match. So okay, they stopped. Next one is facilities, so that the government also provide some financial facilities also. For example, if any event we are conducting in government authorities, okay, I will take my own experience example. Okay, I studied in some government college, I completed my master degree. So in that we have to conduct event means we have to get a certificate from the municipal authorities. So that area's municipal authorities we have to get certificate. So at the time we are getting certificate. So okay, okay, sometimes they provide some amount. Okay, they provide for the student event means for student, the two cultural academic related events, they provide financial facilities. So okay, this such amount will be sanctioned for us to conduct some academic events. For example, okay, business quizzes we are being conducted, or a business fest we are conducting in that college. So at the time they provide the amount. Okay, facilities, here come water facilities also. Some government offices, okay, they donate some food facilities also they be provide. Next one is parking and public spaces. So while conducting the event, many people are being gathered in that event. At that time parking is necessary. So we are utilizing the public places. At the time the government will provide some suggestions. So in which area how to manage the people. Next one is transportation. Okay, government, okay, provide some free transportation sometime. For example, bus transportation you have already come across is like some fest will be conducted, or some cultural events are being conducted means, okay, for transportation facilities are being also provided by the government buses. Next one is licensing. Here we are to conduct an event, so we have to get license from the government. So at that time we have to thereafter only we have to conduct the event. Next one is traffic. Many people are gathering, okay, lot of people are coming, traffic problem is also arises. So traffic policies will become and manage the people, or we have to take precautionary guidelines before that term. Next one is waste management. Here how to manage the waste. Okay, for example, waste food are thrown and beside the roads only. So at that time, okay, we have to provide dustbins. Okay, we have dustbins also. There is a separate dustbins, okay, for one for plastic, one for recreation dustbins, or some organic dustbins, so that we can recreate or reuse that products. So at the time this waste management also very important. And then utilities, I already said, okay, water facilities utilities are provided, or bus fees utilities are provided, or some sheltering facilities through sun, air, water. Okay, rain, for through the rain, okay, they provide some shelter of utilities for the audience or peoples who come to that event. Next one is information services. So it is very important. Information services is very important because, okay, a event is conducted in particular area. For example, outdoor means in particular area, we don't know about route map, or we don't know about how to go through that event means, okay, information services provide some route or it show the path to go the event, or not only that path. Okay, it provides some information about regarding the time. Okay, at what time what event will be conducted. Okay, for some big fest events are being conducted means, okay, there is a sub events. Okay, it is time fixed. Not only that, okay, if any person missed in that event, okay, information services provide so that we can gather our relatives from there. Next one is police. Here is police is very necessary for large events, because some government events is conducted means, okay, gathering, or a politician events will conducted means, okay, gathering of people is necessary. If there is any anti peoples are being come to that event, okay, they make a harm to particular VIP person means, so at the time security is very needed for a particular person. Not only that, okay, a large people gathering means, okay, thief is also will come, some stolen items will be also more in that events. Accidents are more, so to control such unexpected abnormal incidents means, police security is very necessary for people. Next one is emergency services. Here what will come emergency services. So emergency services like some accidents, or some health problems to the particular audience, or emergency fire accidents. So at that time emergency services provided, like if any fire accidents will be occurred in the event means, okay, fire authority will come and exhaust the fire, or some health problem will be occurred for a particular audience means, okay, first aid care are being taken and sent to the hospital. Or any unexpected earthquake come means, rescue team will come and save the people. So such emergency services are provided by the some government and authorities. Okay, we cannot say while conducting some matches or a sports means, there is a unexpected event like earthquakes also in, but not in our area, but some areas, okay, earthquakes are common. At the time the people come and rescue the people. So this is the government and local authorities consulting the event manager. Rules and regulations, they provide some rules and regulations to conduct an event. Thank you everyone for listening the video.